Lesson 10 Quiz. Show your work on notebook paper and type your answers below. Number 1. Lopez family goes to the movies. They buy 2 adult tickets for $6 each and 3 child tickets for $4 each. Write and solve an equation to find out how much money the family spent. Number 2. Grace earns $5 each time she walks her neighbor's dog. She walks the dog 5 times in 1 week. Then she spends $7 on a book and $9 on a building set. Write and solve an equation to find out how much money Grace spent. Number 3. During the basketball game, Micah makes 3 baskets worth 2 points each, 2 baskets worth 3 points each, and 2 free throws worth 1 point each. Write and solve an equation to find out how many points Micah scores. Number 4. Will has 20 pounds of apples. He makes 2 batches of applesauce that use 4 pounds each, 1 batch of apple butter that uses 6 pounds, and he uses 3 pounds to make juice. Write and solve an equation to find out how many pounds of apples Will had left. Number 5. Tasha spends 25 minutes reading on Wednesday night. She spends 17 more minutes reading on Thursday than she did on Wednesday. Write and solve an equation to find out how many minutes Tasha spent reading on Wednesday and Thursday nights. Number 6. Ticket prices for 3D movies are $10 for a child and $15 for an adult. One adult spends $55 to take a group of children to the movies. Write and solve an equation to find how many children go to the movies. Number 7. Eric has 2 bags of birdseed. One bag has 10 pounds of seed, and the other bag has 8 pounds of seed. He fills 7 bird feeders with 2 pounds each. Write and solve an equation to find out how many pounds of bird seed are left. Number 8. Scarlett has 3 erasers. Nick has 2 times as many erasers as Scarlett. David has 5 more erasers than Nick. How many erasers do they have in all? Number 9. There are 15 boys and 19 girls in math club. The tables in Mrs. Miller's classroom seat 4 students each. Write and solve an equation to find how many tables Miss Miller will need. And number 10. Frankie earns $5 each time he babysits his little sister. He has saved $30. Frankie wants to save $52 to buy a new skateboard. Write and solve an equation to find out how many more times Frankie will need to babysit.